I just said good morning and this happened. Ẹ káàárọ̀ o, ìyá àgbà.
Àmì ń rí àmọ̀ pé kọ́nù ọmọ yẹn lójì ìsàlẹ̀ odò. Àkáàárọ̀ àjírédí nígbà wo ló wọ̀lú? Ṣọ́kò òjèpo àwọn àbúrò rẹ̀ ń kọ́. Ṣé dáadáa ni? Ṣé ò ń gbúròó? Mo gbọ́ pé Àdùnní ti wà ń lọ ọba yóò kéré kó bọ̀ wálé. Ó ní wá bẹ̀lẹ́ wò. Ọmọ rẹ ọmọ tọ́jú wọn náà ó rí kẹ́. Ọkọ ń kọ́, iṣẹ́ ń kọ́, àsìkò ìlú yìí. Pẹ̀lẹ́ káàbọ̀ o ṣeun wọn ní owó ayọ̀dún sí ni.
Wait, I just greeted ìyá àgbà with good morning and now we are doing a full-on family check-up. Just only good morning. You have asked me about everything. Yorùbá greetings no be small matter o. Only good morning. Ẹ ti bèrè how's my family, kids, relatives and all. Yorùbá greetings with elder. No be ṣeré o. But honestly, that's how Yoruba elders show love. I want to know the longest or funniest greeting you have ever had with a Yoruba elder. Comment below. Let's laugh together. Don't forget to share, like this video, and follow me if you find this relatable and meaningful. Bye.